in New York right now, just kind of hanging out, walking around. Just kind of heading out, having some food. We have a show tonight in Brooklyn at the Meadows. Should be a heap of fun before we head to Worcester and then start our Canada dates. Second half of the tour coming up.
They got a bunch of me your lips, it slips my mind as your hips swing and dip. Down in the north, waves of wax of blood, they used to burn out. This is fucking
That New York show is mental, but here we are today in Worcester. Playing a small room at the Palladium, which is just kind of like the entrance to the main theater or venue turned into a band room. So it's a ground stack PA in a really intimate room, but it's probably going to be a lot of fun.
in this building, I don't care where you are, off your fucking fate. Are you ready?
Reached the Canada part of this tour. We're in Montreal today and it's been raining this morning. Just about to start loading, hoping it doesn't rain anymore because this might suck. We gotta load upstairs and everything, so just praying right now. And just like that, it's fucking started raining again. Ridiculous.
Kinda nice, dude. Look at rain, man. Kinda nice. Hey.
It's my favorite way to load in.
Hey, still kind of nice.
Can I get a vibe check on the weather?
Yeah, kind of nice.
Just taking a walk through the venue here, and Dusty's kind of showing us where they rope things off and where we can like store gear and have racks set up for all the bands. Meeting one of the house techs for the day just to chat about how we're going to set everything up and if we need anything or if they can give us a hand with anything. But I honestly don't need a great deal. I need a cat line to get to front of house and about 3 mic stands. Otherwise, we own everything else we need to run the show. Then we had a bit of a problem with one of our racks that wouldn't power on, and it was honestly just an IEC that had come loose, but I kind of have to open up the entire rack to get into it. Whilst the racks were all open, I just grabbed a hot glue gun and secured the IEC to the unit. This isn't a permanent fix, but it'll help keep things a little bit more secure. Whilst I was at it, I hit any other connections with the hot glue gun. These American roads will shake anything loose, so remember to check your gear.
speechless. If that moment is right, I'm yours tonight. You know I'm speechless. Can we stay and pray around tonight?
Show was in Toronto at the Velvet Underground. Taking a bit of a walk through here just to see where everything's going to go before I start running out my sub snakes and patching everything in. This was a rad show, but I cannot understate how hot and sweaty this show got.
We're gonna play some dart pool for you all tonight. This song is called Where We Go When We Die.
I remember mixing a show in the bigger room here, but this small room was all new to me. Absolutely love the paint job on the walls and the floor though. It has a bit of a Twin Peaks-ish vibe about it. Placing mics and patching in my drums here before wrapping sound check and hitting the bowling lane. This venue is built on an old bowling lane, which kind of feels like taking a step back in time, which is rad, but it's also a great way to kill time before a show. I was looking forward to this one because my friend Miles is a house tech here. We actually met a few years ago touring with the plot in New, so it's awesome to get to catch up in his home spot. Just a rad joint with some great food spots around and just another killer show on this tour.
Last chance! Get the fuck up here, Detroit! Yeah. Woo! I thought about stuffing your lips, it slips my mind as your hips swing and dip. Down in the night, waves of wax of blood to use to burn out.
What's up? Today I'm in Chicago and I thought I'd do a bit of a check-in. We're entering the last part of this tour now. We've just done Toronto, Ohio, and Detroit, all awesome shows, but it's been crazy watching so many people come out and lose their minds to this new Thornhill album, and I've been having a lot of fun in some of these smaller rooms and all the challenges that come with it. What's even wilder is meeting so many of you that watch this channel. That still blows my mind, but thanks for coming to the sound desk and saying hi. I really appreciate it. I think we've got something like 8 shows left, so I'm gonna head off now and do load in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Chicago is one of my favorite cities to walk around and visit, and the shows always rock too. We've been to the Bottom Lounge a few times, so it's a pretty standard day for us. Some clips from the show.
Lie awake, you bet I'm on my own. It's suffocating. I'm alive, ashamed of what I know. My pulse is racing. Blood, like it's tasting. I'm stuck, can't escape it. Lie awake, you bet I'm on my own. Too much, let me exert a faith. Yeah, too far, I feel the moment with you, malignant core.
And that show was so good, they got the Reptile encore too.
I need to hear these fucking words loud! This is the last time you're hearing this fucking song. Born from fumes! Chicago, give me everything! I roll my eyes, I'm not back on my neck. My salvation is dead, the blood enters not. And the light in my neck. I can feel.
We had a day off after the Chicago show and all decided to make it out to my first ever baseball game, which is cool. And I think almost the entire touring party went out to this one, so it was nice to get to hang out with everyone.
Chicago, we at the Cubs game. Hey, we're walking here, but also in Chicago. Hey, it's Joe.